Welcome back. We're going to take a look at what we need to do to get our app ready to publish. In our apps dashboard, we have all these links that take us to different parts of our application settings. We're familiar with the Edit Pages link. The next one down from there is Page Settings. We'll click on that. Page Settings is where we can add our ad banners if you have an AdMob account, so on and so forth. You can choose whether you want these at the top or the bottom. You can add a navigation bar logo, which you would add to your in-app resources in the manager. And if you click here, it'll take you to the in-app resources, and you can upload your logo icon for the title bar there. All your pages can have a title that shows at the top here in the navigation bar, so you can add your title, and you can set the logo image for each of those pages to show in the navigation bar title as well. If you're adding banner ads to your app, you click on the banner ads icon here, and you indicate which type of ad you're adding and whether it's to be at the top of or the bottom of the page. And you have that option for most of the pages except your order page, your PDF pages and coupon pages, and your announcements, your message page. But all the rest you can add an ad to the top or the bottom of the page. You have the option to add more than one type of ad to a page, but I would not go overboard with adding ads, and I wouldn't have ads on every single page of my app either. If you want to add interstitial ads, you would do that here, and you can choose AdMob, DFP or RedMob, and whether they're to be pop-ups or full screen. And you do that here, choose which page, etc. you want those ads to show up on. Your transition between pages can be set here by clicking on transition. Click on the drop down and choose what transition effect you want for those pages. Same to set your flick for your pages, whether you want transition, slide, curl, flip, or no transition. You set those here on the pages that it is applicable for. If you want to set up a rating system, you tick for the pages that are available for to be rated. You put a tick in those boxes. Sharing email and Facebook. Again, you tick which pages you want that available on. Web view, you can enable Zoom. If you have links on that page, you can choose whether to open the URLs in the same page, and if there is dynamic data, then you need to enable that for that page. hosted resources, if your page is using resources that are hosted in the cloud for your app, then you would get a list of them here. Or if you want to add a new resource, you click on this cloud button here and you go add a new resource, and your files that are in the cloud resource would be sitting here, and then you choose which one you want to add to that page. So you need to remember to add that if you're using the hosted cloud resources rather than having the resources included with your app. That's what you do there for hosted resources. And that concludes our page settings tutorial.